In French language, there are no hard sound such as t, th, d, d.
Hmm.
Right? Okay. And there are 7 vowels in French language. A, E, I, O, U, H, and Y.
Okay.
Okay. One more thing is alphabet H is always silent in French language.
Hello.
Yes, Devanshi, I'm saying that alphabet H
Yeah.
is always silent in French language.
Alphabet H and E.
No, only alphabet H.
Okay.
Then,
Yeah.
okay, so we are going to see the pronunciation of the alphabet. You can take screenshot or you can note it down, Devanshi.
Okay.
Okay, so we have to say A,
A,
B,
B,
C,
C,
D,
D,
A,
A,
F,
F,
J,
J,
H,
Ash,
E,
E,
G,
Z,
K,
K,
L,
L,
M,
M,
N,
N,
O,
O,
P,
P,
Q,
Q,
R,
R,
S,
S,
T,
T,
U,
U,
V,
V,
W,
W,
X,
X,
Y,
Y,
Z. Z.
Z,
That
Z.
yes. So
Yeah.
these are alphabets. Okay. Now we are going to see
Okay.
the cardinal number. Or in French, we say les nombres cardinaux. Les nombres cardinaux.
Les nombres cardinaux.
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 Yes. So
Okay.
starting from 0, it's 0,
0,
1,
1,
2,
the,
3, 4,
chou, a,
2, 3,
true,
yes,
true,
3, 4,
true, a,
4,
quatre,
5,
5,
6.
6,
Okay. In the spelling of 7, P is silent. So we have to say set,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10.
10,
Okay. 11,
11,
12,
12,
13,
sorry, can you repeat it?
13, seize, quatorze,
16,
quatorze,
14,
quinze,
15,
seize,
16,
17,
17,
18,
18,
19,
19,
20.
20.
Then
Yeah.
okay. Now move to the greetings. In French, we say les salutations. Les salutations.
Les salutations.
Yes, les salutations is the greetings.
Okay.
So it's written here, bonjour, monsieur. Bonjour, monsieur. Okay, bonjour means hi, hello, or good morning. And monsieur
Okay.
means Mr.
Okay.
Bonjour, bonjour, monsieur.
Bonjour, monsieur.
Very good. So hi, hello, or good morning, Mr.
Okay.
Okay. And one more thing, Devanshi, like bonjour, this word we use in formal situation.
Okay.
Okay. Bonjour, monsieur means hi, hello, or good morning, Mr. So Mr. is replying, bonjour, madame.
Bonjour, madame.
Madam. Bonjour, madam is hi, hello, or good morning, madam.
Okay.
Right? Okay. The next one is salut. Salut. Salut means hi, hello. And we use this word salut in informal relation, like among friends and family.
Okay. So
Salut
bonjour
means
we speak in formal meetings and this is for informal one.
informal, exactly.
Okay.
Salut Clara means hi, hello, Clara. So Clara is
Clara is
replying.
the name.
Clara is the name of this girl.
Okay.
Salut Clara means hi, hello, Clara. So Clara is replying. Salut Gabriel means hi, hello, Gabriel.
Okay. Got
Then,
it. Yeah.
okay. Now let us learn to take leave of someone.
Okay.
Au revoir. Au revoir. Au revoir means
Oh,
goodbye.
okay.
Au revoir, Julie.
Au revoir.
Julie. Okay. Au revoir means goodbye. Julie is again the name of this girl. So goodbye, Julie. So Julie is replying. Au revoir, Vincent means goodbye, Vincent. Okay. Now move to the next dialogue. It's written Adama Gabriel. Adama Gabriel. Okay, the meaning of Adama is see you tomorrow. Adama means see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow, Gabriel. So Gabriel is replying, Adama Caroline means see you tomorrow, Caroline. Then Devyanshi?
Hello.
Yes, Devyanshi.
I'm so sorry. Like I got disconnected in between.
Okay,
I
no
had a
worries.
call.
No, no
Okay.
worries. Au revoir. Vincent means goodbye, Vincent.
Okay.
Goodbye, Julie. Au revoir means au revoir means goodbye. Vincent means Vincent. Okay, now move to the
Yeah.
next dialogue. Adama Gabriel. Adama means see you tomorrow, Gabriel.
Okay.
So Gabriel is replying, Adama Caroline means see you tomorrow, Caroline.
Okay.
Okay. Now move to the greetings of the day. And in French, we say les salutations de la journée. Les salutations de la journée.
Okay.
So it's written here, La Matam. La Matam. La Matam means the morning.
La
So
Mata means
the morning, the morning. In the morning, we say bonjour.
Okay.
Bonjour means good morning.
Yeah.
Okay.
And La
Next,
Mata means the morning.
La Matam is the morning, and bonjour is good morning.
Okay.
Okay. Next one is l'après-midi, means the afternoon.
L'après-midi.
Yes, l'après-midi means the afternoon.
Okay.
So at afternoon or in afternoon, we can say bonjour or we can say bon après-midi. Bon après-midi means good afternoon.
Okay. Bon après-midi.
It's good afternoon.
Mhm.
Okay. This one, le soir. Le soir. Le soir means the evening. The evening.
Okay.
Uh,
The
at evening, we say bonsoir.
bon.
Bonsoir means good evening.
Okay.
And the last one
Good
is
evening.
good evening. Yes, bonsoir means good evening. And this one is la nuit. La nuit. La nuit means the night.
La nuit.
Yes, la nuit means the night. So at night we say bonne nuit. Bonne
Good,
nuit. Bonne
good
nuit
night.
means good night.
Good night.
Right.
Okay.
Okay. So it's written here, bonne nuit is said when we take leave of someone during night.
Oh.
Bonne nuit means good night. Okay.
Yeah.
Next one. Bonsoir. Bonsoir means good evening.
Okay.
When we meet someone in the evening.
Yeah.
Okay. Bonjour means good morning. Is used to greet anytime when we meet someone until evening.
Okay.
Bonne journée. Bonne journée. Bonne journée means have a good day.
Uh-huh. Bonne
Or
journée.
yes, bonne journée means have a good day.
Okay.
Bonne journée means have a good day. Or bon après-midi means good afternoon. Is said when we take leave of someone during the day.
Mm.
Bon soirée. Bon soirée. The meaning of bon soirée means have a good evening. Have a good evening.
Bonne soirée.
Yes, bon soirée means have a good evening. Is said when we take leave of someone in the evening.
Okay.
Then,
Yeah.
okay. Now let us learn to be nice. How to say thank you, sorry in
Okay.
French.
Yeah.
It's written, merci, monsieur. Merci, monsieur. Merci means thank you.
Mm.
Monsieur means
Oh,
Mr.
okay. Merci, monsieur.
Yes, merci, monsieur.
M- Merci, monsieur.
Yes, merci, monsieur.
Oh,
Yes, thank you, Mr. So, Mr. is replying, the rien. The rien. The rien means,
the yeah.
the meaning of the
It
rien
means
means welcome, you're
okay.
welcome. Or we can say for nothing.
Okay.
The literal meaning of the rien is for nothing.
For nothing.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. In this dialogue, it's written, excusez-moi, Madame Dupont. Excusez-moi means excuse me,
Okay.
Madame
Madam.
Dupont. Madame Dupont. Dupont is her surname. Madame Dupont. So she is
Okay.
replying by oui, monsieur. Oui, monsieur. Okay, the meaning of oui is yes. Yes, Mr. Oui,
Mister.
monsieur. Means yes,
Oui,
Mr.
monsieur.
Yes, oui, monsieur means yes, Mr.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now move to this one. Désolé. Désolé.
Désolé.
Okay. Désolé means sorry.
Sorry. Okay.
Yes. Enchanté, madame. Enchanté, madame. Madame means madam. Enchanté means nice to meet you or nice to see you, ma'am.
Okay. Enchanté, madame.
Yes. Enchanté,
Enchanté,
madame.
madame.
It's nice to meet you, ma'am.
Yeah.
And the last one is bonne chance, mademoiselle. Bonne chance, mademoiselle. And the meaning of mademoiselle means miss.
Sorry, what does it means?
Miss.
Missed.
Yes.
Okay. So what does
Bonne
the
chance.
sentence?
Bonne chance means good luck, miss.
Oh, good luck,
Good luck.
miss.
Yes, good luck, miss.
Okay.
Okay. So Devanshi, do you have any question regarding French language?
Yeah, I actually wanted to know what do we pronounce like she